Randy, appreciate you so much. I just got this mug in the mail from Randy. He made it for me custom. Can you believe that, Mom?
I can. It was pretty cool.
So
that actually is really cool.
Yeah, so Mom just got done doing this amazing, check that out over there, Pops, this amazing CBD brownies. And we were thinking, hey, let's go ahead and use Randy's mug and make some coffee with it. And then Mom figured out this new way to make coffee, which is insane.
Yeah,
so,
wait till you see this.
But yeah, it's so cool. He put the watch on this side for me and put the Hempworx on there. I mean, he custom made that. How cool is Randy? The Mom. All right, so Mom, show me your skills.
Okay, so this was an experiment one morning because we ran out of creamer. And so I thought, what do we do? My husband likes to have creamer. So we put, you want to come closer so you can see what we're doing here?
Come closer, husband.
Come closer, my husband.
Yes, ma'am.
Of 38 years. So we put the coffee in there, just one sachet of that. And then you take some almond milk or any that you prefer. You probably could do this with soy or coconut. Can't promise you because I'm just doing with almond and I know that works.
Show me what you just put, the little package.
Oh, we already did it, right?
Yeah, that's the way it comes. It's in this coffee right here.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And it's even got shaga mushroom in it too.
Wow.
That's what they call it. So when you look it up, shaga mushroom is got a lot of benefits for your gut and all that good stuff. But Mom's about to show you some skills.
Yeah,
right
because this is first thing in the morning for my husband. You know he gets breakfast in bed.
You know it.
Oh man, that's messed up.
Still gets breakfast in bed. 38 years later, he gets breakfast in bed. What's that all about? So we're using this little mixer, similar to what, I think you can get this at Starbucks. I'm not sure.
We'll throw a link on
We'll
the video
figure it out
sometime.
for you,
Yeah.
so don't worry. But it puts a nice foam in it, so you want to come closer so you can see the foam's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So you're mixing in the coffee with the creamer. And see how it's foamed up?
Yeah.
Just like a barista.
So that's how you do
But
it.
I'm not a barista.
Hey,
I'm a wife of 38 years. It's taking care of me.
And then for those of you guys, we also have some creamer as well. I just got a text from somebody. We just ran out of our creamer, because we drink it so fast. But
Yep, we sure did.
So Mom had these new skills though. We're gonna try this out.
So that's not your plain old almond milk and coffee now anymore. So now what we take is our piping hot water. You want to come watch this because it's pretty exciting. You gotta get closer. And then you put this in here.
That's how it foams up.
Look at that foam.
That's so fun. Ooh.
Fancy pants, fancy pants.
Now if you were really fancy, you could sprinkle cinnamon on the top.
Ooh.
Or you could sprinkle cacao on the top.
Cacao.
Pretty awesome. Don't you know what cacao is?
Cacao.
Cacao is this.
Oh yeah. Some cacao.
Yeah. You
Should we
could
throw
just
some on there?
take a little spoon, make it even fancier.
Oh, cocoa?
Oh, is that what it's called?
It's called cacao.
Cacao?
It's called cacao.
Cocoa seems easier.
It's not cocoa though, because cocoa would be an additive to this as far as it had a lot more stuff in it. But this is pure cacao.
Yeah. See what
Gotcha.
happened was.
Pow, cacao.
Okay, can I try
Everybody
this?
say it together. Cacao.
Cacao. Can I try this, Chef?
Try.
No, I've got, hey, wait.
Oh, this looks so nice.
Is he ruining it, or can you do that
No,
afterwards?
you can't.
That was perfect.
Oh, yeah, you can.
I can't ruin anything, right? Are we putting some cacao in there?
Yeah, so make sure that there's no
How
lumps
much
in it.
cacao do we put in
Just
there?
a teeny bit so it doesn't knock you over on your head.
Oh, okay.
It's so good. It's the natural part of the cocoa bean. So that's why they call it cacao. It's not got any additives to it.
Gotcha.
So then you could just sprinkle it on the top.
Oh,
If you want
fancy
it to be really
puns.
fancy. And there you go.
Wow.
Now, what's better, seriously, than
CBD brownies and
Brownies.
CBD coffee.
and CBD coffee
Hey,
with a frothy top?
hey, can you give it to me now?
No.
Wow.
No.
Here, let me
It's for
try.
me.
Let me try this.
Here,
Let me try this. Let's see what we're working with. Let me get my goods in here.
Oh, and a man that slurps. Not good. I gotta teach him some manners.
Oh, Jesus.
You don't slurp drinking coffee.
Gracias. Hey, Randy, for real. Hey, this is the bomb. Appreciate you, man. I'm gonna tag you on this video. Thank you so much. I got all this coffee.
And he's got chocolate on his mouth and everything.
Good.
Right there.
Are we gonna say bye to the peeps?
Oh, well, until the next time.
Hey, for any of you guys that want any of this stuff, just get back in person and watch this video. Hey, well, yeah, you can't share this right now.
Sorry.
Sorry. Bye.
Bye.
That daddy right there? That baby girl? That Kiki?